Добрий день, Nikita.
Добрый день.
Wow. Ти їси cracker. You're eating a cracker?
Yeah.
Is it good? Смачного?
Yeah.
Very nice. Do you want to help Baba to spell a word today?
No.
No. Just kidding. I love you so much. Okay, today we're going to do word ґердан. Do you know what is ґердан?
No.
Okay, I have to ask you to hold the camera 1 second. Okay, so Nikita, це ґердан. Це ґердан. Is it, do you like it?
Yeah.
It means necklace. Okay, so we are going to spell ґердан разом, together. So буква Г, буква Е, now R, nice. Буква Д, Gidu can help you. G, E, R, D, tak. Буква А и буква Н, N. ґердан.
But this is an N.
Yes, very good. You did great. Okay, can you smile for me and just say до побачення?
What's the person?
Beautiful.